Greeting guys, welcome to this video. I am as an assistant of electrical circuit laboratory with assistant code ISZ will explain to you about four-pole theorem. Four-pole circuit is a set that has a pair of terminals on the input and a pair of terminals on the output side. Four-pole circuit is widely used on the network that used in the communication system, control system, power system, and electronic circuit. Here it is the four-pole circuit. There are several analyses that can be used on four-pole circuit such as Z parameter, Y parameter, H and G parameter, and the last one is ABCD parameter. Especially in this video, I will explain about Z parameter and Y parameter. The first one is Z parameter. Z parameter, or also can be called as open circuit parameter, is used to filter synthesis, analysis impedance matching, and distribution power system. Here it is the Z parameter analysis for four-pole circuit. This is Z parameter equation. For the V1 is equals to Z11 multiplied by I1 plus Z12 multiplied by I2, and then the V2 is equals to Z21 multiplied by I1 plus Z22 multiplied by I2. From this equation we can analyze the Z parameter. To analyze Z parameter can be done by conditioning the port 1 as open circuit and by conditioning the port 2 as open circuit alternately. When port 2 is open circuit, we can get the V1 is equals to Z11 multiplied by I1, and then it's become Z11 equals to V1 over I1. Then for the V2 is equals to Z21 multiplied by I1, then it become Z21 equals to V2 over I1. Next, when port 1 is open circuit, we can get that V1 is equals to Z12 multiplied by I2, so it becomes Z12 equals to V1 over I2. And then for the V2 is equal to Z22 multiplied by I2, then it becomes Z22 equals to V2 over I2. Y parameter, or also can we call as short circuit parameter, is used to filter synthesis, planning for the analysis impedance matching, and distribution power system. Here it is the Y parameter for four-pole circuit. This is Y parameter equation. For the I1 is equals to Y11 multiplied by V1 plus Y12 multiplied by V2, and then for the I2 is equals to Y21 multiplied by V1 plus Y22 multiplied by V2. For your note, Y is equals to 1 over Z. From this equation, we can analyze the Y parameter. To analyze Y parameter can be done by conditioning the port 1 as open circuit and by conditioning the port 2 as open circuit alternately. When port 2 is short circuit, it becomes I1 equals to Y11 multiplied by V1, and then it's become Y11 equals to V equals to I1 over V1, and then the I2 equals to Y21 multiplied by V1, and then it's become Y21 equals to I2 over V1. Next, when port 1 is short circuit, we can get I1 is equals to Y12 multiplied by V2, and then it's become Y12 equals to I1 over V2, and then for the I2 is equals to Y22 multiplied by V2, and then it's become Y22 equals to I2 over V2. That's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you got the point. See you in the next video.